Hey Mitsubishi fans, here we have a 2001 Fuso FE145 4.9 liter turbo diesel stake body flatbed. It has a green exterior. My father and I just recently finished reconditioning the whole truck, the bed, the wheels, the frame, the whole thing. If you're a subscriber, then you may have seen the video that I put on here, an update video showing this truck, and there was no bed on it. Now we have the bed installed, and it really looks nice. And of course the frame itself painted. Looks just like new. Also painted the rims. The truck does have brand new tires all the way around. They are LT 215 85 R16s. Here's a shot of the frame. Very clean. The green exterior with a gray cloth interior. Power windows and locks. Manual adjustable mirrors. Vinyl work floor. Storage in the doors. Armrest here on the doors, and this up here could also be used for an armrest. Only 155,000 miles, which is not much at all for the 4.9 liter turbo diesel engine. Step here, making it easier to get up into the truck. Over in the center you have your climate controls. Air conditioning is ice cold and the heat is hot. Cassette player and audio controls below your climate controls. And below your cassette player is an area of storage. Below that area of storage is a power outlet. Over here to the right you have another storage compartment. Below that you have two cup holders. Right here is a control for the outside lights that you saw, the orange reflector lights that are right up here on the edge of the roof outside. That controls those. Go ahead and start it up. Always starts right up without hesitation. Over here to your left, you have your exterior lighting controls, your blinkers, wiper controls here to the right. Right here is a fan that helps the engine warm up quicker. You'll see the light in the center come on when that fan is turned on. Four-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Interior lighting for the passengers up front. Sun visors, vinyl sun visors. Listening to the diesel engine run, it's very quiet, and it doesn't smoke or have any noises or anything weird out of the ordinary. In the rear here, you have your Mitsubishi Fuso mud flaps. I'll go ahead and step up on here. Very nice. Completely solid now. The bed measurements are 12 foot long and 8 foot wide. As you can see on the sides, it has the spots where you can put cages on the sides, the stake body. As you can see, it doesn't smoke dark. It's been well maintained, oil changed regularly. Right here is your gas tank. Also been repainted. Ashtray here on the doors for both the passenger and the driver. Handle up here makes it much easier to get up into the truck, along with the step down here. Little slot here in the dash for storage. Also right here is a somewhat of a hidden compartment for storage. And right here as well. Lots of storage up here in the dash. Below this here, you'll see these two handles. These two handles pull down if you can pull them down at the same time. That's your washer fluid right there. That's where you put the washer fluid in. Here in the center, this flops down, and you have an area for papers or whatever you may want to put in there. Right now, the owner's manual is in there. Kind of like a center console. Three-seater, you can comfortably seat 3 people. Probably could squeeze 4 total, including the driver with 3 others. Just depends. Over here to the left of the passenger seat, you'll see this little pull button. Pull that, and the seats flop down. To take a look at your engine, you have to open the cab up, and how you do that is very simple. Simply pull this here. While you're pulling this out, you pull this lever out, and that'll pop up to about here. And once that's popped up, pull this lever here, and that'll open your hood. And this handle here will make it easier to open the whole cab up and give you access to your engine. I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll take a look at the 4.9 liter turbo diesel. Under the cab, you have Mitsubishi's 4.9 liter turbo diesel engine, and that engine is paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. And when you're done under the hood, or under the cab rather, closing it is very simple as well. Just pull this little lever here, and make sure you get out from underneath it, and slowly let it down. Once it's down, you'll pull this lever down, and it'll latch right back into place on this hook right there that you see. We'll go ahead and shut that now. We'll step back up in here for a minute. Turn the fan off. Down here to the right, below your steering wheel and wiper controls, is a manual idle adjuster. We'll go ahead and shut the truck off now. And we'll do one more quick walk around of it. These Fuso trucks are really good workhorses. Long-lasting trucks with the diesel engines. And this one is in great shape. freshly reconditioned and ready for work. Definitely a fun project I had with my father, restoring it. Show you the bed one more time. Huge transformation from what it was. And also the rims. And of course underneath too is a huge transformation, as well as the frame surrounding the bed. And of course on the other side the gas tank as well. So there you go. That's the startup, tour, and review of this freshly reconditioned 2001 Mitsubishi Fuso FE145 4.9 liter turbo diesel flatbed stake body. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos.